Hey guys, this is our Writing with Phonics K5, page 61 and 62. We are going to look at writing the letter P. The letter P. So for your lowercase p, it's going to be in the downstairs. It's going to be a pull down with a ball. 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 Pull down with the ball, and the bottom the bottom part is going to be in the basement. Your capital P is going to start at the upstairs and come to the downstairs with a hump in the upstairs. Pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump. Keep going. The lowercase, pull down, hang into the basement with a ball, push across, up and around for he. Let's write it again. Write the blend he, and then write the word pet. Pet. Pull down with a ball, push across, up and around. Pull down with a push across. Pet. Flip over on the back. Number 1 says mark the circle beside the letter that finishes the word. This is a picture of a cup. A cup. Which letter says P? Very good, the letter P. This is a picture of a dog. G. Which one says G? Very good, the letter G. This is a picture of a ham. Which letter says Very good. This is a picture of a pig. Pig. Which letter says G? G. 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 Very good, the G. Number 2 says circle the correct word. This is a cap. Which word says k, This is up, pup, app, cap. Very good, this one. This is a picture of a tub. Tub. Which one says tub? Very good, because we see the t sound. This is a picture of a bat. Bat. Very good. This is a picture of a bag. Bag. Very good. This is a picture of a hen. Hen. Where's my tongue when I say? Very good. It's in the top of the roof of my mouth. This is a picture of a pen. Pen. How about? Very good. Now let's look at our next. Oops, that's not it. Let's look at our other sheet. Oh, well, Miss Hendry didn't even do the front of this page with you. I'm sorry. I'm silly. All right, pull down with a ball. 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 Pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. Down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. Sorry guys, I hope I did not confuse you. This is the front of that P paper.